Okay, so before I get into the cooking, let's just quickly break down what NHT is. So NHT stands for National Housing Trust, and it's basically a scheme in which the government of Jamaica created to help more Jamaicans own, build, repair homes. So basically you're supposed to pay your money in every month, and at the end of your payment period you'll be able to borrow some money from them, but the money that you'll be borrowing will be at the lowest interest rate possible. So now that you kind of have an understanding, let's jump into the benefits. So for other young people like myself, like right now while we're at work, we might not really understand why we must contribute to the scheme, because right now you're not planning for building a house, buying a house, you're probably just a rent, but there are actually a lot more benefits other than actually purchasing a home. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about the benefits of contributing to the National Housing Trust scheme, or as Jamaicans would say, we're going to be discussing the benefits of throwing NHT. So as you guys can see, I'm in my kitchen today. I don't actually have the time to do a sit down dedicated video, so I thought I would switch it up for you guys this week. And I'm in the kitchen. I'm literally just about to have some food, and we have some ackee and saltfish here, and let me show you guys properly. Yep, we have some ackee and saltfish here, and we also have some dumplings, and we have some white rice. So I'm going to be frying the dumplings, and I'm going to be telling you guys about the benefits of throwing NHT. So bear with me, bear with my appearance today. I am literally just so tired, guys. I do so much and it takes a lot out of me. So yeah, you guys can stay there and I can do what I'm doing here. So let's just jump right into it, shall we? I think it was a bit poor over there. So just to quickly give you guys an intro before we get cooking. So just to give you guys a quick intro before I start frying the dumplings. If you don't already know what NHT is, it's basically a government scheme in which you can have hello, you're on the vlog. The video is supposed to go to 8 o'clock tonight. Can I call you back another time? But it's a record. No, I'm being serious. Yeah, I laugh my 4 hours. Eh? But they're not in the studio, they're in the kitchen, so they make them kitchen vibes. Coming on the time for sit down and talk to nobody. But it's a friend of mine, I'm sorry, I'm gonna talk to them at the same time. I don't have a time. Yeah, I'll call you back tonight. Another benefit of throwing NHT, this one isn't actually classified and explained online. I was trying to find more information about it, but it wasn't clear, and I don't really see much information about it on media itself. But it's called the Intergenerational Mortgage, where essentially if like my mother have a house and she's the one paying the mortgage, like she can add me on it so that when she passes, I am not responsible for paying off that mortgage, instead of the house just going back to the bank. That's what I understand from it, but like I said, there's nothing official online, so don't quote me. But that's something to look forward to. It's not yet available, but this was actually announced in 2019 when I was looking for my property, so look out for that. Other benefits of throwing NHT, and God, look at dumpling them. Look at the food. I think I got to sell about 2 more. I can't think of any more at the top of my head now. Probably through my hungry. I'm sure now I go up and dumpling them. At least I made the nice. The vent is very loud. I'm sure now. Turn it down. I'll go my record. Yeah. So at least the whole house no smell. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, if you're overseas, NHT actually takes about 3% of what you earn as the monthly contribution. Just a heads up for you guys that are thinking about doing it. They definitely do take that amount. Well, just a last thing for the young people there, like guys, if you're a first-time home buyer, please use your NHT contribution because it saves you so much money over time. Looking at it, like you're probably not thinking it's gonna save your money. Like if you're just a buy like me, like very naive, you're probably thinking it's not gonna save you a little money, but it saves you enough money a month time. It saves you a whole heap of money. So if you can afford to contribute to the scheme, contribute to the scheme, because in the long run, trust me, you're not gonna regret it, because mortgage don't cheap. Guys, we're not quite sure what we're going to be doing with that wall. Sorry, I'm just waffling now. You can come off if you're done. We're not sure what we're going to do with that wall, but now that I'm recording, like I feel like it would be such a cool backdrop in the video if we had like some really, like probably a nice console table with some frames on top of it. I don't think we need any more mirrors here, but like probably a nice console with some frames and probably a nice, I don't know, probably not a plant, probably a plant would look nice as well, with a big chair, like an accent chair and a big plant behind it. That would also look nice and cozy in the backdrop. I'm not gonna. It's Jaydah. Don't burn up on me, girls. Don't burn off. Don't burn off. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, nice. Let's just warm up some of this in the microwave, and then we are ready to go, Joe. Let's put this back out. Guys, you like my outfit? Let me show you guys what I'm wearing. My friend Jay got me this when we were in Morocco. Like, it's so lovely. Let me see if I can give you guys a proper view. Let me put you guys on the bar area and step back. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing today. It's not showing. This is what I'm wearing today. My bed slippers. Still the Aki. Mommy, I feel like when the food going in the microwave and when the food fry on the stove are two different food. I feel like it tastes different. If you're still here, hi. Some bum skin these days. Or says I want thumbnail, me I beg you take for me. Move now, move now. So the vlog area, make up put it in there so outside. The vlog my food burn up? No. You know the pattern, you know the make the gas if I go on itself. Try to dip on the fire. I say this is good, I give me a nice good thumbnail. The vibe I say some could have hold one, so look now.
Okay.
You want me to take it with the camera? You're gonna take it with the phone. Alright, take it with the camera, but just give me a nice look. I'll get him to get him lifestyle. Let me get him set up and get him food, everybody.
Do that again. So put in the blue something there in this, you know, and move the plates.
I thought they must say what I would like. I'll go by yes, sir. Yes, sir, with the light. They want to get lucky?
Okay.
I'm not trying to add a plate though. Let me can't say nothing to about plate or plate. I'm gonna put you over the side. Mom look like one of the Miss Lady she let me breathe up. And just there be tripping the devil my husband.
Wait, I'm going another Instagram side, another YouTube side.
Please enjoy the following ads while I continue to take my thumbnail. Did you know that maca root increases the fertility in men? Well, after a study, it shows that after digesting maca root for 4 months, the volunteers' sperm counts actually increased in volume and also in strength. So, shop www.bodyofficial.co.uk to boost your fertility. I really do hope that this video will help you on your home ownership journey. As always, my DMs are open at JayDahTalks Real Estate, where I discuss everything real estate, Airbnb, and also about my current landlord journey. So head over there on Instagram and follow me for more. And yeah, follow, subscribe to my personal page at JayDahTalks. Follow my business account at Body Official. If you want fitness wear, if you want gym equipment, go over there and follow it. And also have yourself a blessed week. I'm going to show you guys my dinner. This is what I'm having. I'm going to have dinner now, so I'll see you guys in the next video. See you next week Sunday. Bye.